Ooh, I look nice and chocolatey. So what's up, you guys? It's your girl CiCi, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see, I look completely different than yesterday. I have my red wig back on. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get straight into this update video, because this wig is bomb and still doing everything she needs to do. The curl pattern is still fire even after me bleaching the hair on my own. I'll insert the clip. Well, I won't even insert the clip. I'll just leave the link down below if you guys are interested. Ooh. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this color with no bleach, just a little bit of dye and a little bit of developer, and we got this color, and it did not damage the curls. The curl pattern is still fire, as you can see. And yes, I don't have any complaints about the hair. Since I got it, I haven't really had any issues with it, and since I colored it, it hasn't like been shedding. It doesn't feel like super dry. You could still see the curls. The curls are super defined. I just use a little bit of this for my curls with some water after I washed it and washed the lace, and it made the curls pop and come right back to life. I absolutely love. I keep saying this, but I love this hair color on my skin tone. Like I don't know, out of all the colors that I've ever done, it's just, this is the color that just does something for me. But yeah, back to the hair. I don't really have any complaints about it. I will leave the specs and the link to the wig and the original video that when I first reviewed it down below as well, so you guys, if you are interested in seeing how I colored it and stuff like that. And yeah, besides that, the lace is still fire, melted scalp, easy to work with. My biggest thing is the fact that the hair is still not shedding and it's super full still. This is the hair like completely dry. And yeah, I love a good curl pattern. So the fact that it stayed just like this and it's still dumb soft, it's like an extra plus. But yeah, I have nothing else to really say about the hair, so I don't want to ramble on too long. I will insert the clips of me reinstalling this wig for you guys. I actually reinstalled it right here so that I could try and stay in camera for you guys, because I know a couple of people be like, oh girl, I be wanting to actually see you get into those baby hairs. I be wanting to see you get into some things, but I'm always cropping my head out. So I actually recorded it right here, so I'll insert those clips for you guys right now so you can see the install process. So this is how the hair is looking right now. It's a little bit damp still. Some dry, some damp. But I'd rather wet it when it's not on my head, because I do not need dye dripping all over me. My mirror is right here, so I'm gonna look into my mirror. And I said, let me try and record like this, because I know y'all be like, y'all can't see me all the time when I do it in my bathroom. And like I said in my last video, my house got repainted, so some of my stuff is still everywhere. So yeah, we're gonna install this really quick. Let me turn around and show you the back. Cute. I love this color on my skin tone. As you guys know, I dyed this hair myself with no bleach or nothing like that. I'll include the clip to the original video that I reviewed and dyed the hair in and all that stuff down below. But I'm just gonna use the same stuff I normally use to install my wigs. Gluelessly. Like, damn, this girl just had black hair yesterday, now she switching back to this. I don't know, I had this on the other day and I never did the review for it yet, and I just love how this color looks on my skin tone, so I said why not do the update video finally on it. I just washed it, washed the lace and all that stuff, and reinstalled it. And I'm also gonna show you guys how I do the red / burgundy eyebrows after I finish installing this wig really quick. My skin is finally clearing up, like Mother Nature is leaving me alone. Time to act like a bad bitch. Okay, scalp already. That's why you gotta learn to do your wigs gluelessly and get you a nice 5x5 closure wig, 6x6. I just love closure wigs because they're so convenient and fast. Like, I can literally switch my hair every day. Every single day, and people be like, oh my god, I wish I knew how to do my hair. Girl, start with closures. So now I'm gonna get the mousse and then get my edge brush. Just so I can start styling. I like to make sure that the hairs are wet with the mousse. See how the ends just curl itself? You don't even have to do anything. That shit just swooped itself. And being that I'm using the mousse, it's gonna keep my baby hair soft. They're not gonna be crunchy and hard once it dries. It'll be nice and soft. See how natural? Very much natural. Scalp. Just so we can make sure that that lace is locked in. And let's turn this down so we can see how it looks. Scalp. And then once the hair is dry, you can see the color of the red. I absolutely love this color on my skin tone. The lace on this wig is fire. I'm gonna go in with some powder that's a little bit lighter and just put that in the pot. Fire. Put the elastic band on for a second and then just wet the little dry pieces so everything can have a uniform look.
One eternity later.
And yeah, no complaints about the hair. Like I said before, it took the color well. It's not shedding even after me having it in my hair this long. Still true to length. and I just love it. Love, love, love. Super full, took the color bomb, matches my brows. Wasn't hard to find a color to match it. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with the curls. Like, look how juicy they look. I love a good juicy curl pattern, and the fact that the hair was processed a little bit and it kept the curl pattern 100%, I absolutely love it. So like I said, I'll leave the links to everything that you guys need down below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.